So here we have the Fresh Bites orange pepper from Bonnie Plants, and they've started to turn orange. Something might have got to this one, but I'll go ahead and pick a few and I'll let you know what they taste like. Okay, here we are at the stove top. I've washed both of these. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the section of this that's bad. I rinsed the seeds out of that. Go ahead and cut the top off of this one here. Yeah, not a whole lot of seeds in it, which is good. Makes it a little bit easier to clean. Go ahead and cut it into some strips here. Alright, I've got it cut into some strips here. Let's try it out. It's a little sweet, little tangy. It more or less tastes like an orange bell pepper. Not bad at all. Now the dog hears that I have food and she thinks she's going to get some of this. So there you go. I just thought I'd do a short video here where I would show this pepper that I've never planted before. This is the first year I've done it, and just see what it tasted like. There's my impressions. Thanks for watching.